morning to the respected madam, teacher and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohit. Today I want to speak a few words about Earth Day. As we all know that Earth Day is widely celebrated every year since 1970 on 22nd April. Earth is our home planet where we live and breathe. It is a round blue and green ball in space. It is a third planet among the 8 planets of the solar system from the sun. It is covered with water including ocean, lakes and rivers. Earth is also covered with land where people live and breathe and plants and animals grow. We need to acknowledge that our planet is in danger due to human activities like pollution, deforestation, which are disturbing the natural balance of causing global warming. We must all take action starting by simple steps like conserving water, reducing waste, planting trees. By working together, we can ensure a healthier, greener planet for future generation. Because a healthy earth, a happy life. Thank you.